Yeah, Frank, this topic is of really current and very important relevance, given what happened on Monday, the 22nd of September, when the Chinese social media and then Chinese state media released images and video of their third aircraft carrier, the Fujian, which was conducting its 9th set of sea trials in the South China Sea. And the video released showed that the Chinese tested 3 different types of aircraft off the Fujian: the J-35 fifth generation stealth fighter, J-15T, a trainer that's an upgraded of the kind of J-15s that they have on their first 2 carriers, another fighter jet aircraft, and then finally a fixed wing airborne early warning aircraft, the KG-600, which is like our E-2 Charlie Hawkeye that we have on our aircraft carriers, almost a carbon copy. So they flight tested those 3, and you could say, well, so what? It's just more flight testing. But in this case, it was the flight testing using the Chinese version of electromagnetic aircraft launch and recovery system. We have produced that on board our USS Gerald R. Ford, which is now over a decade into construction, development, and fielding. And we have yet ourselves, the United States Navy, been able to launch our 5th generation stealth fighter, the F-35 Lightning II. So the Chinese have actually surpassed us now in a carrier aviation milestone by successfully launching and recovering this J-35 5th generation stealth fighter using electromagnetic aircraft launch and recovery system. They went from ski jump ramps in the first 2 carriers to now using this electromagnetic system. They never used steam catapults. So they are now demonstrating the capability that we don't have. And just this morning, I just saw they're doing another area where they're demonstrating the capability operationally, where they have detected 2 extra large unmanned underwater vehicles off of the shores of Taiwan, 2 of these from the PLA Navy. So that's an area that we've been working in since I was in the Pentagon back in 2011. And they're now fielding, or at least operationally testing, this kind of unmanned technology underwater, large-scale underwater.
What could those be used for, Captain?
Around Taiwan. There's a whole list of. Those could be used for laying mines to any port in Taiwan in a blockade. They certainly could be used to shoot Taiwan and U.S. Navy warships that are operating around the area. They're unmanned, so they can stay at duration much longer, and they're much quieter. So they're an advanced technology that the Chinese are fielding, and we're just, we could talk about so many programs where we are being outclassed by the Chinese.